Hey, look! A tiny ant is climbing that giant tree. Wow! Can such a small ant really reach the top? Oh no! Sami, will he give up or will he try again? Come on, Sami! You can do it! Stay until the end if this tiny ant can reach the top of the giant tree.
This is Sami. Sami is a little ant. He lives under a big oak tree. He lives with many other ants.
Every morning, the ants leave their home. They look for food. They carry small crumbs back home.
The other ants are happy. They work every day. They never look up. They only look at the ground.
But Sami is different. Every day, he looks up. He sees the top of the tall tree. The sun shines on the leaves. Beautiful sugar crystals sparkle. They look like tiny stars. Sami smiles.
He says,
One day, I will climb this tree. One day, I will reach the top.
Some ants laughed when they heard Sami's dream.
You are too small to climb that tree.
But Sami believed in himself.
I will try my best.
One morning, Sami stood near the giant tree.
Hoopa!
He held the rough bark tightly. He took a deep breath. Slowly, Sami started climbing.
Suddenly, a strong wind came through the leaves.
The wind pushed Sami down. He fell into the dirt.
Sami was hurt, but he did not give up. The next day, Sami tried again. This time, he climbed higher than before. Suddenly, a piece of bark broke. Sami fell down again. The older ants watched him.
Sami, maybe this dream is too big. You are a tiny ant. Stay on the ground with us.
Sami felt tired and sad. Then Sami remembered something important.
Falling down is not failure. Staying down is failure.
Sami cleaned the dust from his body.
The next morning, before sunrise, Sami started climbing again. This time, Sami made a smart plan.
He stopped looking down. He only focused on the next step.
He avoided the slippery bark. He used the rough parts of the tree. This time, Sami made a smart plan.
He stopped looking down. He only focused on the next step.
He avoided the slippery bark. He used the rough parts of the tree. Slowly, step by step, Sami reached the highest leaf. There was a beautiful golden sugar crystal waiting for him.
Sami looked at the forest below. It was huge and beautiful.
Wow!
The ants on the ground cheered for Sami.
Congratulations, Sami!
Sami learned an important lesson. Your size does not decide your success. Your determination does. Never give up. Keep trying. One small step can lead to a big achievement.